You know what I love? Saving money. And you know what else I love? Making things better. That's why I'm all about energy efficiency, especially for apartments. It's a win-win. You save money on your bills and your place becomes more valuable. Plus, it's good for the planet. We all need to do our part. So how does it work? It's all about using less energy to power your apartment. Think of it like this. A leaky faucet wastes water and an inefficient apartment wastes energy. We don't want that. By making a few smart upgrades, you can plug those leaks and start saving big time. And the best part? You don't have to spend a fortune to see results. There are plenty of simple and affordable ways to boost your apartment's energy efficiency. Trust me, your wallet and the planet will thank you. All right, let's talk upgrades. Don't worry, I'm not talking about a full-blown renovation here. We're talking small changes, big impact. First up, lighting. Out with those old power-hungry bulbs and in with energy-efficient LEDs. They use way less energy and last for ages. Plus, they make your place look modern and inviting. Next up, appliances. Those old fridges and dishwashers might have character, but they're also energy hogs. Upgrading to Energy Star-rated appliances can save you a bundle on your energy bills. Look for the Energy Star label. It's like a seal of approval for energy efficiency. Don't forget about water heating. It's a big energy sucker. Installing low-flow shower heads and faucet aerators is a cheap and easy way to cut down on water usage, which means less water to heat. Your tenants will love the lower bills and you'll love the extra cash in your pocket. Now let's talk about your tenants. They want a comfortable and affordable place to live, right? That's where energy efficiency comes in. When you make these upgrades, you're not just saving money for yourself, you're also lowering your tenants' utility bills. And who doesn't love saving money? Plus, energy-efficient apartments are just plain nicer to live in. LED lights provide brighter, more natural light. Energy Star appliances run quieter and keep food fresher. And low-flow fixtures provide a more comfortable shower experience. It's a win-win for everyone. And here's a bonus: energy-efficient apartments are in high demand. When it's time to find new tenants, you will have no problem filling those units. People are willing to pay a premium for a place that's easy on their wallet and good for the environment. So there you have it. Energy efficiency isn't just about being environmentally friendly, it's also about being financially smart. By making a few simple upgrades, you can lower your operating costs, increase your property value, and attract quality tenants. It's a no-brainer. Don't wait another day to start making your apartment more energy efficient. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Now go out there and make those upgrades.